you hear us?
Yeah, I can.
Good deal. How you doing? Good to see you.
Hey, great. Good to see you again.
Remember Andy from when we were up there?
I did.
Training, right?
Absolutely. We're mainly diesel fuel, so we're in construction. We're in areas that have extreme weather, and we needed something that was reliable. We needed something serviceable. We needed something affordable, and Tecalemit checked those boxes for us.
Yeah, man, I tell you what, we've got I think we've got 15 or 20 of them in the field probably, and they've been in the field for a couple years now. Haven't had a single failure.
I was in a pinch. He says, "Hey, we're shut down in about a half an hour," and I said, "I really need help." And he said, "I'm gonna stay late. I'm gonna talk to you after hours and get you through this and make sure you get it set up right." And that was huge for me.
The availability of help, hardware is hardware. Understanding the nuances of it, how to implement things, troubleshooting. That's where I feel Tecalemit really shines and really helps us in our customer segment.
We have appreciated y'all's professionalism. We've appreciated your expertise, your ability to help us service. You're who we go to. You're who we use. You guys have made us better at what we do.
Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Tecalemit. I'm Matthew Hosey, digital marketer for this side of the Atlantic, and I'd love to thank you for joining us today for this truly special event. The video we just watched is a powerful testament to what we achieve here at Tecalemit Inc. It's incredibly rewarding to see how our partnerships with customers leads to such remarkable outcomes, enhancing their businesses and elevating their experiences. These testimonials mirror reflecting our commitment to quality and service, and they set the stage for what we're about to introduce. And now we approach the highlight of today's event. It gives me great pleasure to introduce my colleague Andy, who will be unveiling our latest groundbreaking product. This innovation is not just a leap in technology. It's our pledge to continually empower your business through our partnerships.
Matthew, thank you and welcome to everyone on this feed. It is indeed an exciting day for all of us because as I look back at all the journey we've had when it comes to bulk transfer, it has been the one platform for all of us here that has set us apart from everybody else. And I say that because if you allow me to share this quick story, I do recall the days where we were going through the understanding of fluid dynamics, where we're understanding how to build the skid systems, how to reach certain milestones. And the one specific example that always comes to mind, and I find myself repeating the story, is we were awarded a big project and, we wanted to get it right. And so we built this 2-tier level 4-pump system all out of wood. We were that dedicated. We were that detail oriented because we wanted this to be a success. It has been a success now, but we've never stopped. I say that now because it is a pleasure to be now sort of, on the threshold of introducing the next, Pro 6000, the next Pro 5000 line. So walk with me. This was a thought and an idea that we've had based, again, on multiple needs and conversations that we had over at trade shows and things of that nature. So it is my great pleasure for me to introduce what's behind me, and that is Nextflow. Okay, so what is Nextflow? Nextflow is your next platform of fully customizable, high-powered ultra-flow systems with some standard models. So let me start with what is standard so you guys can get familiar with Nextflow. So we have our Nextflow 300. By definition, that's going to be our 300-gallon per minute system, 3-inch pump, 10 horsepower, Class 1, Div 2, which all the systems will be out of the gate. Next model, which we standard, will be your Nextflow 500. This is your system that will consist of 500 gallons a minute, 4-inch pump, 20 horsepower motor. Again, same thing, Class 1, Div 2. Then we're going to move on to something very unique, which is your Nextflow transloader. This is your 300 inbound, 500 outbound, GPM, 4-inch pump, 20 horsepower motor, class 1 div 2 system. This has a unique place, which we're going to get into more in the next video. The last one is probably my most favorite because I know it's going to become one of yours. It's the one that's going to be fully customizable. That is your Nextflow Transloader Max. This is the system where you guys should be able to now add, loading arms, making it what I call a true mobile loading rack, or perhaps something even completely different. So the first 3 models that I mentioned will be fully standard. The last model is your model that you get to customize per whatever your needs may be. That is Nextflow. We're excited. Thank you for being present here today, and I look forward to answering more questions. See you guys at the next video.